This is the Grapple design we decided to go with, and we did get the idea off of another YouTube channel. The only difference we made here was, we'll call this the frame, the subframe, and the fork assembly. We did do a bolt-on plate for the forks, and they bolt onto the subframe. In case we don't like the way the forks behave, we can redo it. And I feel like the weakest link will be the subframe. It is 3 by 2 inch steel, 1/8 inch thick. And I'm not sure that's going to be strong enough. I think it will, for no more pressure will be put on this for small logs and brush. But for the main frame, we did go with 3/16. Side plates are 1/4 inch. The side plates was milled out and the frame penetrated through it, and we've got a good weld on both sides of it. And let's go out and take a look at the bucket. It's a John Deere front end loader for a 1025R, and it measures about 49 inches from end to end. The cylinder we went with is a 2-inch bore, 6-inch stroke. Now I believe the rod size in it is 1 1/8, but it might be 1 1/4. The pin size, they are 1-inch pins. So on the pin plates, direct weld here, we did go with 2 1/2-inch plates welded together. Again, I don't see a lot of pressure on this. The close pressure will be handled what we did here was cut 2 inches up and come down, and I got a good weld on both sides of this on the front. Kind of unorthodox, but I think it'll work. And we made this bolt on. It's going to go like this. Of course, the forks will bolt onto it. I will go out and take a quick look at the bucket. So we drilled a hose right into the side of it, and this is about a 49-inch bucket. And for the hydraulics, went ahead and decided to go with the Summit third function diverter. Went on pretty smoothly. Okay, back to the components. This is 1/2-inch thick steel, 3 inches wide. For the forks, again, we stayed with 1/2-inch thick steel on the forks, but did go to 2.5-inch wide here. This is just a piece. It looked kind of lonely. Those 4 forks sticking out by themselves looked kind of like they might get in trouble. It's probably not necessary. Got a good weld on both sides. This is a 1/4-inch plate. This is cold rolled, flat steel. This is hot roll, of course. This is 1.5 inch by 3/8. I just wanted to get them all tied together somehow and thought that was the simplest. And I did actually have this piece laying around. All the other metal was bought from Stock Car Steel and Aluminum out of North Carolina. The next time you see it, she will be all bolted together and painted Caterpillar yellow. I thank you for watching. Have a good one.